Imagine a world 65 million years from now. A world where our cities, our monuments, even our everyday objects have long vanished. What, if anything, will remain of us, the human race? Today we're diving deep into the future, beyond our time, to uncover the lasting legacy of humanity. First, let's take a step back and consider the dinosaurs. They ruled the Earth for over 160 million years, yet all that's left of them today are fossilized bones and imprints, whispering tales of a bygone era. Now fast forward to our time. We've left a much more complex and diverse footprint on our planet. But what will survive the relentless march of time? Perhaps the most enduring evidence of our existence will be our fossils. Bones and teeth, the most durable parts of us, might fossilize under the right conditions. Imagine a future paleontologist stumbling upon the fossilized remains of a human, piecing together the story of a species that once walked the Earth. But our impact is not just biological, it's geological. The massive structures we've built, from towering skyscrapers to sprawling highways, might leave their mark. Imagine the foundations of our cities, now layers in the Earth's crust, a testament to our architectural prowess. And then there's our most indestructible creation, plastics. These synthetic materials resistant to decay could be the future fossils of our civilization. Picture fragments of plastic embedded in rock, puzzling the beings of the future with their unnatural composition. Let's not forget the eerie glow of radioactive isotopes. Our ventures into nuclear energy have left a unique signature that could linger for thousands, even millions of years. A haunting reminder of our flirtation with atomic power. In this future world, techno-fossils, remnants of our technology like smartphones, computers and cars, could be as mysterious to future beings as dinosaur bones are to us. What stories will these metal and silicon relics tell? Our influence extends beyond the tangible. The chemical changes we've wrought upon the Earth, the altered composition of the atmosphere, the traces of pollution in the oceans, these too could leave a mark, discernible in the geological record. Moving to the heavens, our satellites and space debris, the silent witnesses of our technological age, might still orbit our planet. Ghostly metal sentinels, they are the remnants of our reach for the stars. But as we project into this distant future, we must also recognize the forces of nature. Erosion, tectonic shifts, and the relentless cycle of creation and destruction that shapes our planet will also shape the legacy we leave behind. Will these fragments of our existence be understood by the beings that find them? Or will they remain enigmatic clues, pieces of a puzzle too vast to comprehend in its entirety? As we ponder this, we're reminded of our own transient nature. Like the dinosaurs, our time on this planet is but a brief chapter in Earth's grand narrative. Yet, in our short tenure, we've managed to leave a mark that could outlast us by millions of years. In the end, what we leave behind may not just be the physical remnants of our civilization, but a message across time, a story of a species that looked to the stars, that dreamed, that built, and that in its own way was unique in the history of this ever-changing planet. So as we go about our lives, let's remember the legacy we're creating. For in 65 million years, it's these remnants, these echoes of our existence, that will tell the story of humanity. Thank you for joining this journey through deep time. If you're fascinated by the thought of what comes next for our planet, subscribe for more explorations into the past, present, and far-flung future of Earth.